I think eSIM technology is essential for our strategy to roll out IoT devices because it enables IoT devices in a perfect way. It's an easy provisioning for the customer, but it's also enabling new form factors in the IoT device space. So we follow eSIM and IoT very soon.
So my perception on innovation has changed massively since I started to work with startups. The reason is simple. For startups to survive, they need to follow a very disciplined process in testing their hypothesis and getting market feedback. And this proximity to the market is essential to success in innovation, and this recipe is something that we in DT also need to adopt much more.
I enjoy working with startups because of different mindset, right? Those guys are super really curious what's on the next road, what's on the next crossroad, and actually this is what I strongly believe in and I like personally. So I'm being motivated by looking what's next. And I can find the same things driving startups. So this is what I enjoy the most. This is the second thing I enjoy very much, is seeing progress from one day to the other day to the third day. Is amazing. We are going to team them up with the mentors, DT mentors, but also maybe external mentors. We are also going to team them up with the technical experts and also experts from the chipset vendors. And the most important, we are going to connect them to the markets through the netcodes in order to reach ultimate goal, which is as fast as possible, get to the market. That's our goal.
Overall, we see eSIM to emerge in all kinds of devices actually, IoT devices, but also in smartphones. They are already in tablets, they are in smartwatches. So we as Deutsche Telekom very much rely on eSIM technology and we push it forward.